Ciao ragazzi, I'm Roberta, Pasta Evangelist, and today we're gonna make a delicious tagliatelle with artichokes. Ingredients. So today we are going to use fresh artichokes. We got some parsley, then garlic and some lemon, salt, extra virgin olive oil, and then some parmesan. And for the pasta, we already prepared egg dough. I'm going to start to create the beautiful tagliatelle. Make sure you check the video on how to make egg dough. And as I say, I have already prepared. We just need to stretch the dough and cut it into tagliatelle. I just finished to create my beautiful tagliatelle. What I'm gonna do, I will quickly nest and just leave it aside to dry a little bit. So we can then create the sauce. What I have already done, guys, is I cleaned most of the artichokes. It's important, it's very important to grab a large bowl full of cold water. And what I did, guys, I have just cut it in half the lemon and squeeze it into the water. This will prevent to get the artichokes completely brown, which it doesn't really gonna look nice. I'm gonna show you how to clean. I noticed that many people probably they buy the already prepared artichokes because probably the cleaning part is the most not difficult but a little bit tricky. So let me show you guys. The first things that I'm gonna do is remove the stem, and then I have to remove the external leaf until I reach the inside, which is gonna be very easy to recognize because it's much tender and more light, yeah? And as I told you, once you start to remove the external leaf, you can see that it starts to change the color. So this is the most tender part, which we can keep, yeah? We start to clean these bottom sides, just to remove all of these. I like to use a pretty sharp knife, be careful, eh? But it's good when it's a pretty sharp knife so it clean the stem pretty well. Now, another important part is to remove the top part, yeah? So we are going to, it's a little bit, even if I got a sharp knife, it's all normal, it's a little bit tougher to carry. So I remove the top of the part and then I'm just continue to clean a little bit. And now I'm going to show you guys. Can you see the color is completely different? It's more yellow compared to the leaf before they were green. Now I'm going to cut it in half. And another part that I want you to clean is this inside here, which is not really nice to get it into the plate. So we're going to clean that as well. I'm cutting in half and then with a knife, I'm just going to remove all of this and leave it aside. So nice and clean. And then, can you see it's really nice and all removed that inside part. And then I'm going to simply chop this way. And straight into the water. Guys, it's very important. You need to put it back into the water, yeah? And I do until I complete everything, yeah? Fantastic, ragazzi, it's everything done. We just need to chop some parsley later on. So what I do, I have cleaned all the artichokes and put it in the water, as I told you. Now, the pan is already on. This is very important, keep it on and start to remove the artichokes, remove most of the water. Don't worry, this is gonna take a second so they don't gonna change the color, yeah? And it's absolutely fine to keep a little bit of lemon taste. I don't really mind. I'm sure you will love it as well. And so, as I say, we have completely removed from the water. And now I'm going to just leave this here. And now, guys, I want you to start with the extra virgin olive oil. Now we are going to add the garlic. So we add the garlic. I like this sound. And let's don't burn it too much, yeah? And now you can simply start putting your artichokes. Moving to low, otherwise you will burn straight away. Fantastic. Let's leave it to cook for a couple of minutes and then we're gonna add some salt, some parsley and also some cooking water. It's important, otherwise it doesn't gonna perfectly cook the artichokes, yeah? Fantastico, ragazzi. So we are left only with the garlic and olive oil. Now, as I say, you need to add a little bit of water, otherwise you will completely burn your artichokes. And then we leave it cover. As I say, in the meantime, I'm adding full tablespoon of water. In the meantime, I'm going to chop some fresh parsley. And now I'm gonna show you how to create a creamy sauce. So as you can see, we have left the artichokes to cook for about good 20 minutes. We have added water in order to get it really nice and soft. And now what I'm going to do, as you can see, I got the kitchen blender. I'm going to blend half of it, just to give it that really nice creaminess to the sauce, yeah? You simply from the pan, you just add it to the blender. Sorry, I don't want to make a mess. So I just take, let's say half of it. I also, I started this sauce with the garlic. This time, because I want it to be, we don't have a lot of flavor with the artichokes, so I wanted to keep the garlic. I'm going to mix with a blender. And I'm just gonna leave a little bit on the pan. Here, where is the garlic? I'm also adding, guys, some pasta water to make it more creamy. Oh, that's so nice. I wanted to keep it all. I don't want to throw nothing away. And now, as I say, guys, we push back into the sauce. And then I want to show you how creamy it is now. Can you see? Little bit of cooking water, guys, and this just to clean the blender. Oh, how creamy is this? Let's move to the tagliatelle. The water is ready. Guess what we need in the water? Salt. We need salt, otherwise the pasta is tasteless. And guys, the tagliatelle, the pasta is ready. Remember, tagliatelle, they takes just a couple of minutes, even less when you are making fresh pasta. Don't forget, guys. We are going to just continue to just mix together so the tagliatelle will absorb all the artichokes flavor and sauce. That's just amazing. Now our tagliatelle are ready. Let's plate. So I got a couple of portions. Of course, I'm gonna do mine first. You know how much I love to taste the food once I do it. So don't be too greedy, Roberta. So another bit, and then I'm going to add the amazing sauce. And of course, you're going to add this amazing artichoke sauce that I don't have anymore. What I need as well is a sprinkle of parmesan because I love it. And of course you love as well, let's do it, just a tiny little bit of black pepper. And the tagliatelle with artichokes are now ready. Let's try. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes. Buon appetito.